today going to a car meet a little bit late. I'm gonna be accompanied by Nate, and then we're gonna go and meet up with Mark at the shop later. But right now, going out to wash my car and hit the gym because I'm not gonna be here because the car show is from 8 p.m. to 11 or 10 p.m. But yeah, that's where I'm going right now. I've collected a Nate here. He's in my car. I'm gonna show you guys a Jetta real quick right now. So now the Jetta is running some Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. You got some pretty nasty track light wheels on there. What are those, Motigis? Yep. And we got the ET Street R. Make sure that she won't slip when he's roasting those Mustangs. I also got a package from Premium Auto Styling for this thing. It's just something small, but I can install that for you guys tomorrow morning. Nice, okay. That's definitely the rear, and that is the same size. So I might have an extra one to give away. Oh wait. Oh sick, alright, I'm definitely going to be giving one of these away. That's cool. I didn't know it came with the back ST and the front ST. I thought it was just back and you had to order more than one. But
looks like somebody's getting this one.
Yeah.
Is this a decent spot for something like this?
I think so.
What do you think?
Oh yeah,
this body line's actually a lot straighter than the Elantra door was.
Yeah, there you go.
We've been wanting to put something on for a while. Now it should be black, right? Because there's red right there.
Well, if everybody's putting stickers on, then I want to put my stickers on. Get 5 extra horsepower.
Oh, the lighting out here is so bad, Ben.
This is gonna be difficult.
Why are you doing this right now?
Because I want to look cool. All right. Well, now my ST badge is white. Classic Mork.
Did you peel it away at like a really sharp angle? That usually works best.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
Yeah.
Still ripped a couple letters too, but I managed to put it back pretty good.
Now you guys know that the accent colors that I'm going to be doing for the car in the future is going to be white. So there you go.
Right, I was questioning this at first, but I think it looks really sick.
That thing is sick. Yo, we're not even in the parking lot yet, and there's so many cars here. This is the biggest meet I've been to yet. All right, we just made it. First car here. The one I'm really excited to look at. Dude, this thing is freaking sick, dude. Show's over. That was insane, and that GTR was sick. I'm exhausted, and I have an hour drive ahead of me, so see you at home. It's like 11:42. I just got back. Sorry I didn't get a lot of footage at the car meet. Honestly, it was pretty crazy, pretty packed, and there was just a lot of cars and people moving around everywhere, so it was really hard to you know, find spots and good opportunities for good videos. So I got a few good ones. I think we're gonna have to cut the video off here because I'm insanely tired. God. Also, there was like barely any JDM cars there. Like it was all Dodge Chargers, Mustangs, Corvettes, Challengers. There was one really cool Type R that we saw in the beginning. There's a few more Type Rs, and then that one really cool R32. it was a fun time. I think I'm gonna cut the video off here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very shortly in the next really sick video because I haven't coming in. So I can't wait for you guys to see that, and I can't wait to put it on my car and mess with it and see how it sounds and all that stuff. So I will see you guys very shortly. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.